Your journey starts before you even step foot in Korea.
All right, so there are a lot of things that you can do before your departure to South Korea that's going to make your trip a lot simpler. First, we need to make sure you have the right documents. So most importantly, you're going to need your passport. You're going to want to make sure there is plenty of validity on it. Make sure it is not damaged in any ways, and protect this during your trip in South Korea. Next up, you're going to want to see if you happen to need a visa. Many countries can get a visa on arrival or a tourist visa. However, certain countries are going to have to apply for that beforehand. So check with your local embassy to see if you require that. Now, some good news. Many of you may have heard the K-ETA, the Korea Electronic Travel Authorization. And good news is that as of 2025, many countries are exempt from having to file for this. So check to see if your country is on the list. If not, you're going to want to take care of that. And also, as of February 2025, you can also do an online arrivals card 72 hours before your arrival into South Korea, South Korean time, which is going to save you a little bit of time and hassle. However, if you can't do that, you can always fill out the card once you get here. However, always best take care of a few things. The most important thing you're going to want to do before you set off to South Korea, guys, is to check into getting a WOWPASS. So this is something that I heard of recently that is aptly named, because once I heard about all the different functions, I was literally like, wow, this is pretty cool. I wish I had something like this when I first arrived in South Korea. So this is a card that is a combination of a payment card as well as a transportation card. Now let me tell you a little bit more about the WOWPASS.
WOWPASS is the must-have card for travelers in Korea. It's an all-in-one prepaid card that works for payments, transportation, and even money transfers. Top up easily with 16 foreign currencies at kiosks or through the app. No need to worry about extra fees. Pay anywhere, send money to friends or Korean bank accounts, and unlock exclusive rewards and cashback from top Korean brands. Plus, you can buy and use the Discover Seoul Pass directly in the app for free entry to over 70 attractions. Travel smart and experience Korea like a local with WOWPASS.
All right, so the WOWPASS can be issued at lots of locations all around the country. You can actually pull up their app and find out which one is closest to you, and then simply locate it just like this one here in Myeongdong Station, which seems to be very popular. And then it'll walk you through everything in order to get your WOWPASS card. So let's talk about money. So you might have this, US dollars or some other type of foreign currency, but you need this South Korean won. How do you get this into this? The answer is simple. So while there are many different options that you could use, none of them are more simpler than using your WOWPASS. Let me show you how. So I had USD, I was able to insert it and it automatically exchanges it to South Korean won. I can also use this kind of like a debit card and pull cash out if I want. Another amazing function is that if I lose this, I can go online, I can lock it, and then reissue another one. So it is a traveler's best friend. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how we can use it, how easy it is. You don't need anything else except this card. So I want to give a huge shout out to WOWPASS for sponsoring today's video. It really is the ultimate travel accessory when you are traveling to South Korea. It allows you to travel around the country without cash, which is an amazing benefit. However, it doesn't stop there. They've been gracious enough to share some of the benefits with you. So if you're coming to Korea, be sure to get your hands on one of these WOWPASSes. There's over 240 locations around the country that allow you to do that. Once you've downloaded the app, you can then put in my personal referral code, which is TSGKOREA, and you'll be able to get 0.5% cash back up to 5,000 Korean won. But wait, there's more. WOWPASS is actually giving me a few codes to give you your own WOWPASS for free. So I'll be giving that away. All you need to do is comment down below what your favorite benefit of the WOWPASS is, and I will choose a few of you and contact you and let you know how you can get your hands on one of these for free. So once again, thanks to WOWPASS, and with that, let's keep adventuring.